Hello and welcome to the latest edition of the Door Entry Direct Trade Counter demonstrations. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Comelit Kitvisto. I'll tell you a little bit about the product, then I'll show you how to install it and also how to pair a device to the Comelit Kitvisto with the smartphone app. The Visto doorbell is really easy to clip onto the mounting plate and then is secured by a screw at the bottom. So first, the product. The Comelit Kitvisto includes the outdoor call station and then an indoor chime to alert the residents to the fact someone is at the front door. Pivotal to the Comelit Kitvisto is the Comelit smartphone app, which we will show you shortly. This allows you to connect the call and also to speak and to activate the door release mechanism. And now we're going to demonstrate how to connect the doorbell to the Visto app on your smartphone. From the Visto app, in the top left hand corner you select the menu and connect new device. Select the type of device. We have the Visto Wi-Fi. And then the Visto doorbell should be flashing red and white. Once this has turned yellow, press continue and then wait for the LED to start flashing blue. Once the LED is flashing blue, press continue and then from this app, leave the app and connect to the Wi-Fi point. Having connected to the Visto, using my Wi-Fi settings on my phone, press continue and the Visto is now scanning for available Wi-Fi networks. Select the network that you would like to be connected to and I will now insert the password. The next stage in adding the device is to give a name and location to the device, which you can see I've already completed here. And now confirm that. You can now see that the device is successfully paired, so the doorbell is linked to the smartphone app. We will now demonstrate what happens when a user presses the doorbell. The app on my phone is ringing. I accept the call and then from there I can speak to the visitor and choose to unlock the door. Thank you for watching the latest Trade Counter demonstrations brought to you by Door Entry Direct.